New canvas. Choose a self-running model. Intarsia color code draws the base map of the Intarsia. Need to use the Intarsia color code to draw the pattern. Different Intarsia color code representation. Different knitting yarn feeder numbers. Front woven Intarsia color code 151 to 166. Back woven Intarsia color code 131 to 146. Double Intarsia color code is 201 to 216. Choose 150 to here. Indicates the front knit Intarsia action. Intarsia weaving yarn feeder size is 2. Select the filled rhombus tool. Drawing rhombus Intarsia color blocks. Select current color tool. Duplicate the rhombus. Change color. Change to 153 color code. Indicates yarn feeder number 3 before Intarsia knitting. Duplicate the second rhombus shaped color block. And so on. Draw an Intarsia rhombus color block. If you are not skilled in the use of tools, you can view the software manual. There are detailed explanations. Toggle function line 216. Set the knitting form. Intarsia normal yarn feeder 81, 1. Toggle function line 202. The first column is filled with 99 color code. Indicates Intarsia jacquard color code. When drawing patterns with Intarsia jacquard, this will definitely be added. Next, click on the craft sheet. Select center. Make a set. Determine the location of the set. Forming. Compile. Compilation parameters about Intarsia. View previous lesson. There are detailed explanations. Select the corresponding self-running model. OK. Check the computer action. Machine knitting can only be done after checking.